You have probably heard people say artificial intelligence can make you money, but how many are actually doing it? People just like you are using AI to earn thousands, not through hype, but with real, practical strategies. In this video, I'm going to break down how people are really making money with AI, the tools they're using, and how you can start without spending years learning tech. Let's dive in. First, many people are offering freelance services powered by artificial intelligence. Instead of doing everything manually, they use AI tools to provide faster, more efficient results for clients. Examples of the freelance services include: Point 1. Writing blogs or scripts with ChatGPT. 2. Designing graphics and social media posts using Canva AI. 3. Editing videos quickly with Descript or Runway. This way, the expected results will be higher outputs, faster delivery, and more clients, all while working solo. The second way is how content creators are making money directly from AI-generated content after monetization. They use AI to generate blogs which are already optimized for search engine optimization, whereby the blogs also include affiliate links, and hence make sales, make faceless YouTube videos with AI voiceovers, and then create visuals with Canva AI, and also create digital products, templates, or guides in minutes. By leveraging AI, creators can produce more content faster, which means more traffic, more ad revenue, and more sales. Thirdly, AI side hustles are booming in 2026. People are turning AI into small income streams that can scale over time. Some examples of side hustles people are doing include selling AI-generated images on marketplaces like Etsy or stock image sites, creating AI-generated music for podcasts, YouTube, or ads, and also using AI to automate dropshipping research and product descriptions. The key to success is simple. Automate repetitive work, add your creativity, and then sell the output. Fourth in the list is how some entrepreneurs are building small businesses around AI tools themselves. They create templates, prompt guides, or mini software tools for other creators and sell them online. For example, entrepreneurs are using ChatGPT prompt bundles for YouTubers or marketers, Canva template packs for social media managers, and AI workflow systems for small businesses. The truth is, selling these products can generate passive income. Once the product is made, AI helps maintain and update it. Another growing way to make money is AI consulting and training. Companies, solopreneurs, and creators want to learn AI workflows, and experts are teaching them. Here is examples of how they are doing it. Teaching businesses how to automate emails and social media posts, offering one-on-one AI productivity coaching, and also selling online courses for using AI tools efficiently. People are paying handsomely for expertise that not only saves them hours, but also helps them to boost their revenue. Finally, some people are using AI to inform investments and in AI-powered trading. This is because AI can analyze trends, patterns, and data faster than humans, which helps people to make informed decisions. While this is more advanced, it's another avenue where AI creates opportunities for income, without manually crunching numbers for hours. So there you have it: freelance services, AI-generated content, side hustles, AI tools as products, consulting, and even AI-informed investing. These are the real ways people are earning thousands with AI in 2026. The key takeaway for today is this: start small, automate tasks first, add your creativity, and then scale. You don't need to be a tech expert to make AI work for you. If you want more actionable AI income ideas, tool breakdowns, and step-by-step tutorials, subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's grow smarter together.